Carmela.
Okay, isa na cheese.
Oh, yan.
Anyway, si Ate Gabi kasi ang gumagawa ng video. So, kami muna ni Bern. At saka si Anchis, yung si Sign, meron naman pasok. Si Moon, nasa trabaho. So, kami muna. Anyway, happy birthday and hope you'll have a very happy birthday. Thank you for being a good ate to all of your 10 brothers and
For
sisters.
taking care of us.
For
Nine
taking
na lang.
care of
Longest
us.
time.
9 na lang.
9 na lang, our brother is up there waiting for us. Not yet.
Later.
Later na. Not yet. Maliliit pa mga bagets. Okay, next.
Hi ate, happy birthday.
Yung Christian.
This is
Say
Christian.
hi, Christian.
Tangkad ng
Christian.
Christian.
Itong baby. Malaki na. So, enjoy your day.
Ikaw muna, tapos si ate.
Gusto marami kang bisita, so, have fun. Saka, yeah, thanks for being ate to all of us. Alam mo, pag wala ka, so, wala rin, hindi kompleto pag walang ate.
I know.
So, anyway.
Who's next?
Ito naman, si ate naman.
Hi, Te. Kamusta? Long time no see. Ay, on your 60th birthday, I wish you health, happiness, and sana God will give you good health para mas makatulong ka pa sa amin lahat. Thank you for taking care of our family and for being there always. Salamat. And I wish you happy 60th. Once lang yan. Enjoy it. Okay.
Really, Mom?
Okay, ate, I haven't seen you for the longest time ever. But anyway, salamat sa lahat ng guidance mo nung nandyan pa ako. Hopefully, when my bagets are older, we could all visit someday. Don't worry.
And have a grand reunion.
Yes, definitely mangyayari yun. And my kids, Bernard and Gabriel are here to say their greetings. So, happy birthday talaga. Thank you for being good
Is
to me
someone forgetting
and
me?
to all of us. Okay.
You're forgetting me. I'm sad.
Okay, Bern. Happy birthday.
Oh, that's Christian.
Auntie Vicky. Okay, ikaw daw.
Happy birthday.